Crispy and golden on the outside, soft and juicy on the inside. Yes, the best Japanese pan-fried gyoza dumplings. Welcome to Shan's Kitchen Delicious Food. So, gather up all the ingredients and let's start adding. Well, watch the full video of course, because gathering random ingredients is not really a good idea. With 100 grams of flour, add a good pinch of salt, mix it up. Gradually add 100 ml of boiling water. Make sure not to burn your hand. Now it's the time to show off your muscle. Knead the dough until it's nice and smooth. Cover it up and let it rest for 20 to 30 minutes. Filling time. For the filling, I'm using 200 grams of ground beef. To this, we're gonna add less than a half teaspoon of baking soda. Same amount goes for black pepper. Half tablespoon of corn flour. Some salt to taste. Half teaspoon of sugar. 1 tablespoon light soy sauce. Half tablespoon of olive oil, or you can use the classic sesame oil if you prefer. Half tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. Some lemon juice. 1 tablespoon of water to help it mix properly. 1 cabbage leaf. And some spring onion. Now give it a nice mix for a few minutes. Back to the dough after 20 minutes of waiting. Now we will make the soft wrappers. You can do 2 ways. 1, rolling the dough into individual wrappers, one at a time. Or think smart and can just roll one big wrapper and cut it into equal pieces using something round. Wrappers should be thicker in the middle and thinner around the edge. Folding, yay! Not gonna lie, this was so challenging, but we made it. And you can do it too. So add the filling into the wrapper. Brush half of the wrapper with a little water to make it stick. And start folding. Have fun! On a pan, add some cooking oil and fry the dumplings until they get the golden beautiful color. That means it's ready to be steamed. Now add some warm water and cover it up and let it do its job. Dipping sauce, it's very simple. Simply add some light soy sauce, more soy sauce, again soy sauce, back to soy sauce, no joking. Now you're gonna add some crushed chili oil, or you can add red chili flakes. You're gonna add some oil. I have used warm mustard oil and olive oil together, but you can use the classic sesame oil if you want to. See, voila, gyoza dumplings dipped into this juicy spicy sauce. Make sure to comment below on what you think about my beautiful, delicious gyoza. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and thumbs up, not down. And see you on the next one.